Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading leads from the Google Lead form to the Sempico Solutions service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer leads from the Google Lead form to other systems. For example, you can send SMS alerts to all users who are interested in your offer. Warm up your leads through the Sempico Solutions service. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to choose the system from which you want to transfer leads. In this case, you must select Google Lead Form. Next, you can choose one of the ready-made templates where you want to send leads from the Google Lead Form. In this case, you need to select Sempico Solutions Send SMS. At this stage, you need to create a virtual Google Lead form account in the Save My Leads system. In this window, you can give it a name or just click Continue. When the created login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, we see the URL for receiving data. It is this link that will receive new data from the Google Lead form. To continue setting up, copy the URL and go to your personal account Google Lead form. Go to the Ads and Assets section on the Assets tab. Next, go to the form from which you want to receive data. Then we find the section Other Data Integration Options. Paste the copied link in the Save My Leads system into the appropriate field. Next, as a key, specify the last part of the Save My Leads URL copied in the system. To continue the setup, we need to generate test data. Click Send Test Data. We save the changes, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. At this stage, you need to connect your Sempico Solutions account to the Save My Leads system. In this window, you must specify login and password from your personal account Sempico Solutions. When the required field is filled, click Continue. When the created login is displayed in the list, select it. Next, you see the Sempico Solutions fields where you can assign variables received from the Google Lead form. We have already done this. But if something does not suit you, you can add variables from the drop-down list. Then you need to specify the registered sender alpha name. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to your Sempico Solutions with each new lead received from the Google Lead form. If everything suits you, click Send Test Data to Sempico Solutions to check if the settings are correct. To check the result, go to Sempico Solutions. If everything suits you, return to the Save My Leads system and continue setting up. Next, click Finish Setup in order to enable auto-update of the connection. In this case, all new leads from the Google Lead form will be instantly transferred to the Sempico Solutions Send SMS system. If you want to change the name of the connection, you can do so in the settings. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.